everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you a serum review from The Ordinary. Watch on for more details. The Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1% serum review. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that how's the packaging? The Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1% comes well packaged in a transparent glass bottle with a dropper to dispense. The lid is tightly closed to avoid spills. Now I'm saying that texture, color and fragrance. The Ordinary Niacinamide serum has a lightweight gel-like texture, just like hyaluronic acid serum. It glides smoothly and effortlessly on the skin. It easily spreads with little or no added effort. When applied on the skin, it absorbs quickly. The Ordinary Niacinamide serum is completely scentless as it's fragrance-free, which is literally a good one as fragrance can contribute to irritation, especially to individuals with sensitive skin. Now I'm saying some important notes. Niacinamide shouldn't be used together with vitamin C as it can negatively impact on the integrity of vitamin C. However, if you must pair both together, then use on intervals. Use niacinamide serum at night and vitamin C serum during the day. Niacinamide can be combined with retinoids and other natural skincare ingredients as niacinamide is friendly with the skin and also with other skincare ingredients. And the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1% serum comes in two sizes, which are 30 ml and 60 ml. The 30 ml size can last for a month, while the 60 ml can last for 2 months. A little goes a long way. So now I'm saying how does it feel on the skin. At first, when the Ordinary Niacinamide serum is applied on the skin, it feels soothing just like hyaluronic acid, and it spreads evenly but tends to make your skin feel a little dry after it's absorbed due to the fact niacinamide is best suitable for individuals with oily and acne-prone skin as it literally regulates sebum oil and shrink large visible pores. By so doing, you may feel a slight drying effect when applied on your skin. That's why it's recommended to follow up with the oil-free moisturizer afterwards. I recommend a CeraVe moisturizing lotion, or therefore to counteract the slight drying effect, I ensure to apply CeraVe moisturizing lotion because it's oil-free and contains hyaluronic acid plus ceramides and peptides. Sometimes I also apply hyaluronic acid serum instead. Now some important notes. Don't apply too much of the Ordinary Niacinamide serum as too much could literally cause excessive dryness or tackiness. 2 to 3 drops is just okay. A little goes a long way. Ensure to apply a rich moisturizer afterwards. Go for moisturizer suitable for your skin type, and some people complain they felt a slight sticky sensation after applying the Ordinary Niacinamide serum. Well, in my own case, I never experienced that because it literally absorbed instantly and leaves no residue behind except for a tacky finish. Although skin type differs, therefore results may vary too. However, if you should feel a sticky sensation, layering an oil-free moisturizer or hyaluronic acid serum will definitely counteract the effect. So now I'm saying how to use the serum. The Ordinary Niacinamide is to be applied 2 times daily, morning and night, for optimum result according to the company, and that's exactly how I have been applying the serum. So now I'm saying that what I like about the Ordinary Niacinamide serum. Very budget friendly. The fact that this serum is wallet friendly makes me love it even more. Unlike other related niacinamide serums which digs deep into your pocket, the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1% serum costs less and very affordable for everyone. Absorbs quickly. Has a gel-like texture just like hyaluronic acid serum but absorbs almost immediately after applying on the skin, which makes layering other skincare products very convenient and easy. You don't even need to wait up to a minute before sealing off with the moisturizer. And it regulated excessive oil. My excessive oily skin was indeed minimized. Of course, this was one of the reasons why I went for this formula. No more greasy looks and large visible pores. Minimize large visible pores and smoothen the skin. Excessive oily skin leads to enlarged visible pores due to pores clogged with sebum, blackheads, and other pore clogging residues from comedogenic makeup, sunscreen, and skincare products. Niacinamide being a one-stop remedy at shrinking large pores and minimizes excessive sebum production really. Did it wonders on my skin, and it also improves your skin complexion, and it well packaged and fragrance free. So if you are looking to reduce oiliness, shrink enlarged pores, clear blemishes, calm redness, and improve your skin tone, then I recommend this serum. However, it's best you patch test before commencing treatment, as some skin types won't tolerate high concentration of niacinamide. After patch testing and you feel this serum is suitable for your skin, then don't forget to follow up with a moisture-rich moisturizer to counteract the skin drying effect, as this serum tends to slightly dry out the skin. Overall, this serum is completely works on and amazingly works on normal to oily combination and blemish prone skin. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching this video.